Alright guys, we have a very special series coming up this weekend. I have Dustin and Kevin filming the vlogs for today, Saturday, and Sunday. So this weekend is round 1 of Top Drift, which is the Pro-Am Series drift competition in my area. We had like a small driving session a couple days ago with the car. Felt pretty good, had some things that we needed to fix. So now we're back 1 day earlier the competition. I'm actually surprised there's not a lot of people here. But we have the whole entire track now to practice for ourselves. I gotta be careful not to go too hard because we want to drive somewhat conservative because we don't want anything to happen before comp. But I got Calvin out here, I got Dustin out here, Kevin's coming up later tonight, so we got a boys weekend, we got driving, we got the first competition ever. I'm excited. We're gonna warm up the car, kind of get some of our tools out, get the suit on, and start driving.
Get the suit on, man. It's fucking cold out here, everybody. You can't hear me because it's windy and cold. Just read my lips.
Alright, so first off, I'm gonna drive around a little bit, kind of feel the car out, give a little shakedown, make sure everything's good to go, get a little comfortable with the car, and then we'll come back up, we'll set up some GoPro shots, we'll go over the car one more time, and we'll start getting ready for tomorrow. Words of encouragement for Teach.
Don't suck, Teach.
Alright, it felt really good. I don't want to push it too hard and drive too much and like do something stupid or have something in the car go wrong. It's kind of a weird way to think about it, but I feel really comfortable. I feel like on Sunday when we do our qualifying run, I should be able to do it just fine. I wish I had like cones out there with like proper clipping points so I knew for sure how far I should be getting, but I have no complaints. I feel good. The moment I get on track, I like lose sight of all that nervous feeling that I had before. So I'm getting anxious. I'm ready to drive. I'll probably burn through these and go through another set of tires and then pack it up and call it a day. So the layout that I think it's gonna be tomorrow, we haven't found out quite yet, but what the most common layout is you enter on the straight, hit the outer clipping point, and you'll come to this little hump on the ridge over here, circle back around, go around the green box, and once you get to the outside, typically they wanted you to stay on this outside wall. So I think the real point for me that I need to focus on getting deep enough is like right on this exit point, and this is where a bunch of the crowd's gonna be, so I think do a little, you know what I mean? No. So I don't want to put it that close. So put it like here.
Don't do a little.
Qualifying run will be solid if I hit right there. I think so. We're just setting up. We found one cone, so we're just trying to use it so I can kind of get a better idea of how far I'm getting and how deep I'm getting to make sure I can do a good run come this weekend.
Closer this time. Let's not die.
We're gonna try out the double R's. That should be the grippier tire. See if we need to go up and PSI in them at all. We'll see how they feel. I think that those are the tires that I'm gonna try and compete in just because we have more of them. So we'll try it out, see how they feel, see if we need to make any adjustments to PSI or suspension. Hopefully nothing too dramatic. a couple more, and then probably call it. I feel pretty good. I don't want to push the car too much today, but we'll do a couple more and we'll call it quits.
It's not a Dustin Williams TJ co-lap without a burnout.
That's right, Higgins. So I think I'm done with practicing today. I've gotten a good amount of laps, and like I've been saying, I kind of want to save it for tomorrow. We still have like 3.5, 4 hours until a lot of our friends get here that are camping here tonight. Because a lot of people are starting to roll in and they're setting up camps and getting their pit spots. And the spot we're in is the spot that we all want. We're kind of just chilling right now. We're gonna kill some time until everybody gets here. I don't know how long we're gonna wait here for, but this is the current go. Calvin is playing games on his DS because he goes nowhere without it. Dusty's chilling in the back.
Dustin's
and
over
we
here.
Have a fat crap of clothes just sitting in the back.
And Dustin's shit box over there.
Hey. Disrespect. You have to finish your car before you can start throwing shade. You could have just taken it down. Oh, man. I saw Dustin's Instagram photo a couple days ago. He's like, this is what the boss of Need for Speed looks like. And I was like, oh, I didn't know they were stock.
A few moments later.
You guys didn't see this, but don't know why we weren't filming, but TJ decided on the last, like,
no, okay.
We're about to leave.
I figured out the new line. We were about to leave.
We can't reveal it.
Saw the new line. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a couple practices on this new line. I was talking to Taka, who like picks the lines and shit. He was like, we're gonna make it. He's like, the line I was doing was like an old line. It was too easy. Doing a faster, harder line. I started practicing it. I had a slight dirt drop.
No,
it wasn't anything bad.
It went.
I had a slight dirt drop. The car is fine, but my rear bumper decided to snap in two.
It's alright.
So, we had to do a little drift stitch mod. We'll go to the hotel, we'll check in the hotel, we'll get food,
and leave Dustin outside of the hotel and leave him like a plate of water. So
maybe, we'll talk about it later. We'll go home, so we'll do all that, we'll go into town. We're gonna have to load the car back up here. Everyone's advised us, do not leave the car alone in this city. Once we do those things, we'll just come back here, wait until everyone shows up, and then we'll park our car and we'll get a good pit spot and leave the car with them, and then go cuddle in bed with all of us.
So
all four of us together.
Oh yeah, Kevin's coming.
Yeah, so we gotta load up. We're all loaded up, we're both ready to go. It is freezing out, I don't know if you could tell, but it's like 45 degrees out with the wind chill. So we're loaded up, we're gonna go to the hotel, get some food, and then come right back to get a good spot for tomorrow. Hope you like cuddling, baby. Because you and Calvin are gonna be on top of each other tonight.
It's my brand new duffel bag. I like duffel bags, they look cool. I feel cool.
So cold, man.
Alright. Fair enough. Hey, whoa, wait. Watch where you walk in there, Dustin.
Wow, a bed for all three of us.
We didn't film at the track like we thought we were going to, but we parked the car in a good spot. Hopefully it is acceptable. I think we're in the right... It's too blurry. I think we're in the right spots. We'll go there bright and early tomorrow morning. We're all gonna go to bed. We're super tired. We're gonna be able to get like 5 hours of sleep in before waking up tomorrow. So, yep, I will see you guys in the morning. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The car's good, life is happy. I will see you guys tomorrow first thing in the morning. No, Dustin! Peace out!
Dick is out!
God, no! I'm trying to say
Peace out!
No!
And keep subscribing to Dustin Williams' YouTube channel because he's so much better than you.
I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.